Welcome to Bestsellers Market. Today we are diving into a countdown of the best-selling Fixative products on Amazon. Fixatives are essential for preserving your artwork, ensuring your creations remain vibrant and protected over time. Whether you're a professional artist or a hobbyist, finding the right fixative can make all the difference. So, without further ado, let's explore the top fixative products that artists everywhere are raving about. Let's get started. Ladies and gentlemen, have you ever encountered the frustration of flimsy fabric crafts? Well, look no further. At number 5 on our list of Amazon's best-selling fixatives, we present the transparent fabric hardener, 250 milliliters. Imagine a product that not only solidifies your creations, but does so in an environmentally friendly way. That's right, this hardener is crafted with the planet in mind. But wait, there's more. The magic starts with its special dripping bottle. No more mess, no more waste. Precision and ease, all in one bottle. As you apply it, you'll notice how effortlessly it covers every inch. And here's the best part. It becomes completely invisible when dry. Yes, your fabric's original look remains untouched, only now it's sturdier than ever. But the wonders don't stop there. This hardener is weather-resistant. Whether it's a humid summer day or a drizzly autumn evening, your crafts stand resilient, enduring the elements without a hitch. Elevate your craft game with this transparent fabric hardener. Craft confidently, knowing your creations are fortified and future-proof. Now, that's ingenuity in a bottle. Unveiling the magic that keeps your vibrant fabrics as bright as the day they were dyed. Coming in at number 4 on our countdown, it's the PRO Retayne Color Fixative Z. Picture this. You've just finished a stunning quilt or a beautiful piece of dyed fabric art. The colors are dazzling, but will they stay that way? Enter Retayne. This extraordinary color fixative is your ultimate shield against dreaded color bleeding. It's not just a product, it's a guardian for your fabrics, locking in those hues with precision and care. Here's how it works. For hand washing, add 140-degree Fahrenheit water to a pot or tub, enough to immerse your fabric fully. 1 teaspoon of Retayne per yard of fabric is all it takes. Let it soak for 20 minutes, stirring occasionally, then rinse in cold water and dry immediately. Simple, effective, and efficient. But don't forget, test the fabric before its first wash. Prefer the convenience of a washing machine? Retayne has you covered. Follow the same steps, adjusting the water level appropriately and setting a 20-minute cycle. However, a word of caution. This magic potion doesn't work in energy-efficient top and front loader machines. Future washes must be in cool water, or you'll need to repeat the treatment. In this compact 4 ounces bottle lies the power to transform your fabric care routine. Need more? Retayne is available in various sizes, from 8 ounces up to a half gallon, ensuring you're never left wanting. And the cherry on top? PRO Retayne is proudly made in the USA, embodying quality and trust in every drop. Keep your creations vivid, vibrant, and vivacious with PRO Retayne Color Fixative. It's not just a fixative, it's the future of fabric care. As we delve deeper into our countdown of Amazon's best-selling fixatives, landing at number 3, we find a true gem for every crafter and seamstress. The Dritz 1674 Fray Check Liquid Seam Sealant, 0.75 ounce, in an incredible 2-pack, twice. Here's the scenario. You've just finished sewing a beautiful garment or an intricate craft project. Everything looks perfect, but those pesky frayed edges could ruin it all. Enter Fray Check, the ultimate liquid seam sealant that turns fraying into a forgotten nightmare. Imagine this, a tiny yet mighty bottle of 0.75 ounces, times 2, and then double it again. You're looking at 4 bottles of this powerful sealant, ready to protect and preserve your hard work. Each drop works wonders, seamlessly binding fibers and edges with an invisible touch, ensuring your creations remain pristine. The genius of Fray Check lies in its simplicity. Dab a bit on the edges of your fabric and watch as it quickly dries, leaving behind a strong, clear bond. No more frays, no more worries. It's the guardian of your fabric, silent yet vigilant. Craft enthusiasts and professionals alike swear by this little miracle. Whether you're working on delicate silk, sturdy cotton, or anything in between, Fray Check stands as a steadfast protector. And the best part? You get 4 bottles, ensuring you're never without this indispensable tool. Stay ahead of the fray, keep your edges neat and clean, and elevate your sewing projects with the Dritz 1674 Fray Check Liquid Seam Sealant. 4 bottles of peace of mind. ensuring every stitch, every seam, every project is nothing short of perfection. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling fixatives on Amazon? If you're finding it as exciting as a color splash, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring that bell so you're always in the loop with our latest finds. Next up, at the prestigious number 2 spot on our countdown of Amazon's best-selling fixatives, we present the PRO Retayne Color Fixative in a generous 8-ounce bottle. Picture this. You've invested in beautiful, commercially dyed cotton, linen, or rayon fabrics for your next project. The colors are stunning, but you fear the dreaded color bleed that could ruin everything. Here's where Retayne steps in. This remarkable color fixative is your pre-washing hero, locking in dyes and ensuring your fabrics maintain their vibrant brilliance, project after project. And guess what? Just one application is all it takes. Let's dive into the magic of Retayne. For hand washing, start with water heated to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Add enough water to fully cover your fabric in a pot or tub. Then, for each yard of fabric, mix in 1 teaspoon of Retayne. Immerse your fabric and let it soak for 20 minutes, stirring occasionally. Rinse it in cold water and dry immediately. Don't forget to test the fabric before its first wash. Future washes? Cool water only, or you'll need to repeat the treatment. Prefer the convenience of a washing machine? No problem. Follow the same steps, adjusting the water level in your machine and setting it for a 20-minute cycle. But here's a tip. Retayne doesn't work in energy-efficient top and front loader machines. Keep future washes cool to maintain that locked-in color brilliance. This 8-ounce bottle is a powerhouse, ready to protect your fabrics from color bleed. Need more? Retayne comes in 16-ounce, 32-ounce, and even half-gallon sizes, ensuring you have enough to handle any project. And there's something truly special about this product. It's proudly made in the USA, ensuring top-notch quality and reliability. Say goodbye to color bleed and hello to vibrant, long-lasting fabrics with PRO Retayne Color Fixative. It's not just a fixative, it's the ultimate protector for your fabric's true colors. And here we are, at the pinnacle of our countdown, the #1 best-selling fixative on Amazon. Allow me to introduce the G&K Craft Retayne Color Fixative, a whopping 16 ounces of dye-locking brilliance. Imagine the vibrancy of your newly dyed cotton, linen, or rayon fabrics, the colors so rich and vivid. Now imagine those colors staying just as vibrant wash after wash. That's the power of Retayne. By locking the dye into your fabric, it prevents future bleeding, ensuring your projects maintain their dazzling hues. Remember, one application is all it takes. Let's delve into the simple yet effective process. For hand washing, begin with water heated to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Add enough to fully cover your fabric in a pot or tub. Then, for each yard of fabric, add 1 teaspoon of Retayne. Soak the fabric for 20 minutes, stirring regularly. Once done, rinse it in cold water and hang it immediately to dry. Always test the fabric before its first wash. Prefer the washing machine? No problem. Follow the same steps, setting the water level appropriately for a 20-minute wash. But note, Retayne doesn't work in energy-efficient top and front loader machines. And for future washes, remember, cool water is key to maintaining that color lock. This 16-ounce bottle is a powerhouse of protection. But if you need less, Retayne is also available in convenient 4-ounce bottles. What makes it even better? G&K Craft. Retayne is proudly made in the USA, ensuring you get top-notch quality and reliability in every bottle. So why settle for anything less? With G&K Craft Retayne Color Fixative, you're not just preserving fabric, you're preserving the essence of your creativity. The colors stay, the vibrancy lasts, and your projects shine, wash after wash. We hope you enjoyed our countdown of the top-selling fixatives on Amazon. To keep up with all the best sellers, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Don't forget to check the pinned comment for links to all the fantastic products we talked about today. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.